Hi guys, welcome back. On today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a brand logo using Canva. It is very easy and stress-free. Trust me, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, you will understand the step-by-step on how to create a logo brand using your Canva app. Today, I'll be challenging myself to create a professional logo brand using Canva. In just a few minutes, let's see what we can put together. Let's see if I can pull it off. Creating a logo brand sometimes feel like it is very stressful, but trust me, it is not. With the help of Canva, it is very easy for you to create your brand logo because no matter how you want to set up a business and it's sales, production, you have to get your own logo. Without you not even giving out a graphic designer to design your logo for you, you can easily do that by yourself by using your Canva app. Because if you try to create the brand logo by yourself, you will see your own taste and what befits your brand easily without no stress. So guys, make sure you follow this video from beginning to the end and you will learn a lot because I'll be teaching you how to create a logo brand using Canva app in 2025. Sometimes, let me tell you, design a logo brand can also be expensive when you give it out to graphic designer to design that for you. It's quite expensive sometimes. Trust me, with the help of Canva, you can create a logo that no one have ever used before. You know, you create this logo, it seems like you are the owner of this brand. So no one can use this same logo as yours unless it wasn't published to social media or on the internet. As far as you created this logo by yourself and it has been matched with your business, no one will use your logo. With the use of smartphone, I'll be creating my logo brand using my Canva app on my smartphone. With the use of smartphone, you get everything done. Make sure you watch the screen record on the screen to follow my step from beginning to the end. Because if you don't watch the video from beginning to the end, you will not understand what I'm talking about. Because the screen record will put you through on how to create a logo brand using your Canva app. Let's go. So on this, our Canva app, click on the search button, then type logo. Immediately you type logo, the Canva will display thousands of logo on the app. The Canva will display thousands of logo for you on the app. Your own job here, your own business here is to quietly look for the befitting brand logo that you know it can works with your brand. Just look for a logo. Just look for the logo that will work with your brand without no stress. So guys, we have thousands of logo here. As you can see, we have different designs of logo, Just choose one for your brand. All right, I won't like this. We need to just choose one to create like this now. Like this, you can see we have thousands of logo. Let's choose this to create our brand. So now it's loading. Immediately the logo loads on the Canva app. You can edit all the text on this logo. You can edit all the text on this logo, and also you can see something like this. It's for photographer. All we need to do is to just click on this text, double click on it, then clear, shoots by, can you see? Then you click here to, you click the second one, shoots by Kizo lens. Can you see? You can just adjust this Just adjust it so it doesn't choke. Adjust the text. So this photographer also, you can just adjust it, then shift it. You can put it on you can change the text style or size, font size, put it on a bold. Okay, let's put it on a bold so it's display very well. As you can see, our logo is already been designed. Now, as you can see, the logo has already been designed, and you can use this for any of your brand. Just with your name and the lens image, you can see the camera lens cuts into two as a logo. This is simple logo. Let's try and choose a different logo, maybe the one that is kind of hard. The one that is kind of hard, let's choose another logo. A lot of logo here is quite very simple. As you can see, they all free. You don't need to pay for it. You don't need to pay for it. As you can see, this is also quite simple. Just this Kizo lens. Then you can drag it, shut it down. Then you shift this closer. You shift this closer too. So our logo has been ready. This is our logo now. You can use it to do any of your artwork, graphic design, or just to make sure people recognize your brand and your brand logo and what you do. Let's go to another brand logo. We have thousands of brand logo here. Those are the simple. As you can see, we have thousands of logo available on Canva for you to use. See all. Make sure you choose and edit the logo brand to your own taste. No one is going to catch you as far as you're using a Canva to create your logo. As you can see, this is X. It's similar to the X app, which is Twitter. So we have different logo. Spencer, Avery Davis. You can change all the text on this logo. You can see this one also. You can use this. This is quite a cool logo. As you can see, this is quite a cool logo. So now here you can change the text just to say, okay, let's use Aura Waves Company. As you can see, Aura Waves Company. This logo looks quite cool, and I think I love it. You can also create your logo with this type of brand and design. So it looks cool, I guess. Yeah, I love that. And also you can just come back, try and check different thousands of logo. You can just give yourself a time to look for the best logo for your brand. Just give it a time, look for the best logo for your brand. No one will catch you. We have multiple thousands of logo on Canva. No one will catch you. As you can see, Dunk Squad. Just choose your best. Benjamin Shah. Thousands of logo. Create different logo that it befits your business without anyone arresting you, as far as you're using your Canva app. So that's all. Just a simple step to create a brand logo for your business, for your products, what you sell, what you do. You wanted to have a personal logo for your brand. Just make use of Canva. Yeah, just choose it by yourself. You don't need to even give it. You don't need to even ask any of graphics designers to just help you to build a logo. Also, you can do that, but for you to get something very simple and fast without asking anyone, try and use Canva, because it's very, very simple and stress-free, easy to use. You can even use the free version, even though you don't want to pay for the pro version. You can use the free version. It's also available on free version, but using a free version means you are limited to some brand logo. Not all will be displayed, but if you're using the Canva Pro, it will be very easy for you to see thousands of logo that you can choose anytime you want. So as you can all see, we have thousands of logo. As you can see, this is also a cool brand logo. Just change this text. Okay, let's change this text. Click on this layer, then we choose the text. Let's choose the text. Okay. Kizo. As you can see, this is quite a cool logo. I like it. It looks cool. Then we do like this. Kizo. X change. Hope you can see. You can just drag this here. Even though you don't want to put it here, just drag this here. Then drag this closer to it. Then shift it here a little bit. So, as you all can see, the logo looks so cool. You can just, within some minutes, get your logo ready to use. So guys, to learn more, just make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, drop a comment what you feel about this video, and stay tuned for my next video, because I'll be dropping video back to back here on how to use Canva or your CapCut to edit different stuffs. Trust me, you will love it. So guys, make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, well, you subscribe, because you will learn a lot from my channel.